So one of the first ways that you can start to deter cheating and detect some interesting behavior from your students is with our similarity detection. This uses the standard from Stanford called MOSS, capital MOSS. And so we run that directly on the Zybook side, and you can run a similarity check. You can also add a known solution to include in there, maybe something you found on Chegg or you know that somebody's done in the past that was shared on the internet. You can include that known solution so it's part of this similarity check. You can even anonymize names, which is something we recommend that you do to show students how the similarity check works, which helps deter them from cheating when they understand that you have this tool at your fingertips. Once you're ready, you just click Run Similarity Check. Takes a couple seconds to a minute, depending on how many students you have, to run. And then it will show you each of the students that have similar code. So it does a comparison, student name to student name, and it has a score of similarity. This score is from MOSS. So it has a 10 being the most similar, down to a 0 being not similar at all. You can provide a cutoff, so you only see students based on a certain thing. Pretty much, usually anything less than an 8 isn't going to be, that important in a typical CS class. If students should really have radically different programs, then you may want to use lower measures like a 5 or something like that. But a typical coding challenge, you're probably going to care about the 8s and above, maybe 9s and above. And then you can go down and you can do that comparison. You can click on a student, and our tool will show you side by side the differences between their code. You can download the submission files and include it in any reporting you need to the institution about the cheating, stuff like that. White space differences, any differences in similarities will be highlighted. So the similarities are really highlighted here. And so you can see that. And so even things like, when students have exact same spacing and another number of other things will show up in this kind of report.